Okay, family, I want to have a serious talk. I was talking with a friend last night, and I've also been on some yoga forums recently. People who come from all walks of yoga and all stages of their practice from all over the world, including India and some really high-level masters on Facebook. What is yoga? It's an old and complex word. It's a practice with many facets and many levels, but really at the core and at the basis and the definition of this ancient Sanskrit term is yoga is communion with God. Okay, a little hard to hear for some of you. It is your innate connection to yourself, your soul, your spirit, your highest and your deepest, simply put. Okay, so visually, yoga looks like spandex pants, maybe once in a while sitting in a seated meditation posture, eyes closed, Gyan Mudra, or something like that. Yoga is all of that and so much more. And I just get so passionate about this because ultimately I'm an educator at heart, and also ultimately I am a lover of spirit, and I do believe that we are spiritual beings in this human incarnation, fully ready and waiting to express the power of the cosmos and divinity. And so really when we're talking about yoga, or when I'm practicing, or when I'm sharing yoga, or what you might call teaching yoga, I'm asking ourselves, I'm doing my best to create conditions where people can have an experience with God, right? Through that might entail people working through a lot of their pain, a lot of their suffering, both physical and mental, spiritual, psychosomatic, this life, past lives, whatever you want to call it. Not whatever you want to call it, however you experience it for yourself. So that's what I want to talk about. What is yoga? Why yoga? Sure, it's totally fine if you come to yoga through Bikram or through Ashtanga, high level 3 vinyasa, gymnastic kind of stuff. It's totally okay if you come to yoga through restorative or through a meditation practice. It's totally cool if you come to yoga through tantra, through sexual or sensual practices. All of this is related to the word yoga. And everybody is different, and every path is different. And the more you deepen in your knowledge and your wisdom of the life of the spirit, you start to see that everyone's path is perfect and beautiful. Every single person, every single ant, every single gecko, every single cow, every single tree, their path is perfect. Your path is perfect. And anytime you're getting angry or triggered about something that's happening in your path or someone else's path, that's an opportunity. That's an opportunity to shift and to check yourself, to check where you want to go in this incarnation. So what is yoga, and why yoga? Whatever path you take with it is perfect. Whether you never come to a yoga class, whether you think I'm full of shit and not interesting or completely boring, don't care. Your path is perfect, and so is mine. So this is yoga. It has so much more to do than exercise, fitness, more than taking a deep breath, more than sitting in meditation, more than even connection to God. It's all of that and more. It's beyond conceptualization. It's beyond this discussion. So I'm going to drop the mic. Peace and love.